many drugs right now. I know.
Alright, one more time. Like it? Like it? What? How's it in? 5, 6, 7, and 1.
Yes, if you can grab a girl, jump in.
From middle, I'm going to turn her around this way. So watch me first. So what I'll do is from here, I'll step out. Her left elbow was caved in. This way. And I'll come back in. Yeah. Right. So the next one we'll teach you. Remember we did this?
Yeah.
We do that. Left hand. Yeah. Alright, so now we're
Grab a girl and do it. Come on, guys. Grab a girl. Someone go with him. Yes. Go, 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 go. Oh man, you guys.
Come back. 7 and left. Yes. And one more time. Right from the top. Top.
His name Justin.
Listen to the music. It's about to drop.
Justin needs a girl.
Justin,
Come on, Justin, hurry. 7 and.
Aww.
Left. 2.
Justin,
4.
Yes.
Step in. And left. Right. Left. Right. That's it.